So yeah guys, here I will be showing you how to use these things. First of all, you will have to take 1 teaspoon of turmeric here in this empty bowl, and then add certain amount of milk. Take milk so as your mixture will remain thick, so as to run properly onto your neck. You can take some more milk if you want. Make sure your mixture is so thick and it is not runny. So yeah, I want to tell you that this amount of thickness you will be needing for your mixture. So apply this mixture onto your neck, so that, and massage it for 10 minutes daily for two weeks, so that you can get those clean neck, and you can reduce the dark patches around your neck. So this is my first method. This is the consistency that you will be needing for your mixture. So apply this mixture onto your neck daily. Yes, remember guys, you have to apply this mixture daily onto your neck, and you will have to do this massage over for continuously 2 weeks. You have to do it daily. So for 10 minutes you will be doing this massage, so as to reduce the darkness onto your neck. So yes guys, it was my first method, and then it's turn to show you the second method, so stay tuned. So yeah guys, for second method you will be needing certain things. So for second method you will be needing 1 cup of milk, and then you will be needing all purpose flour. This is called maida in Hindi. So yeah, you will be needing this thing also, and lemon. Yeah, so all you have to take 2 tablespoon of all purpose flour in one empty bowl. Then you will have to mix certain amount of milk in this, so that the mixture will remain thick. It should not be so runny. Mix it well. If you need some more milk, you can add it too. Yeah, mix it well. Yeah, so it will be getting lumps, so do not worry guys, because lumps are more useful for us. So now it's turn to squeeze this lemon into this mixture. You can squeeze half of the lemon, as lemon is the natural bleach ingredient. It has the natural bleach properties, so it will whiten up your skin. So yeah, this is done. Is ready. As you can see, apply this mixture onto your neck and leave it for first of all you have to massage it with this mixture, and leave it for 10 minutes onto your neck, so that it will squeeze all your darkness into this mixture. So yeah, repeat this process also within 2 weeks. Yes, you have to repeat this process 2 weeks, and you have to massage with this mixture for 10 minutes. Yes guys, at least 10 minutes you will be doing this. So yeah guys, these were my 2 of the methods to reduce the darkness over your neck area. And thirdly, I want to tell you that if you want to reduce the darkness from your neck, you should take care of your neck. You will have to scrub your neck daily with the scrubber that has the harsh particles in it. So use the scrubber that has harsh. What I want to tell you is that you can also use papaya onto your skin. You just take slices of papaya and rub those slices onto your neck and massage it for 7 to 10 minutes regularly, and you can see it will work efficiently onto your neck area. So yes guys, these were my 4 methods to reduce the darkness over your neck area. So let's try this in your home, and please tell me how do you like it or not, and please hit subscribe button over there for more videos. So till then, bye, see ya, take care.